I am sorry, but I have no idea what does it mean.
Okay, so now I'm giving you this task. In the next session, you must have to go with the meaning, or maybe if it has meaning, then you must know that meaning. And if it doesn't, then you must know that I'm sure that it doesn't have any meaning. It's just a word.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
Yeah, and don't forget to do this because there will be punishment also. Because I'm a strict kind of teacher, so
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. Long time. I'm seeing you, I think, after 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's been almost 2 weeks.
How come you've taken such a break? Were you on a break?
No, I was not on break, but I was having lesson with another tutors to having the different kind of exposure.
Nice. So you're saying that you don't like me.
No, it's not like that. If I didn't like you, why would I be talking to you tonight?
Yes. I'm just kidding.
Yeah, that's okay. So how was your day?
My day was good, pretty hectic,
Why?
and I've been taking sessions since the past 1 hour, 20 minutes. And yeah,
Okay, so is it any specific time limit, or you can take as much a session you want on Clappingo as a tutor?
so we can take as many sessions we want. Clapping Go starts at 10 o'clock in the morning till 12 o'clock in the night. So we can choose our timings and we can take sessions accordingly.
So when you are taking more session, or on the other end you are taking the less session, so does it affect your salary or?
Okay. For this, I would want you to learn English really well so that you can apply to be a tutor and then you'll be able to answer these questions on your own.
Then it will take me some time to get this answer by myself.
So why are we waiting for so much time? Why can't we just get your English super good so that you can become a tutor?
Yeah, I hope so.
Since you told me you had a YouTube channel, I actually did. I couldn't see all the videos, of course, but I did go through 1 to 2 videos. That's something that's really nice. And this one video that I really liked was that you put my friend's dog.
Yeah. I put your dog on the thumbnail.
Yeah, she was so happy to see that, and she's like, "Please tell him thank you." So I was like, "Yeah, definitely."
Yeah, welcome from my side.
So how was your day? What did you do all day?
Oh, my day was fun. I was taking nature's shower.
Did you just say nature shower?
Yeah,
Can you explain what that means?
no, because it was raining outside here at my place, so I was.
So is this a new word that you have come up with, nature shower?
Yeah, I just coined this word right now.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, so did you read the session document that was provided to you?
No.
So your session document is about social work. Would you like to talk about that, or do you want to talk about something else?
Yeah, we can talk on something else.
Okay. So now that you're looking for a job with the whole thing and your interview and everything, what's the update on that?
Sorry.
The whole interview thing, the entire interview process and everything and all of that, what's the update on that? Do you have any update?
Okay, so the first list has come now, day before yesterday, and now in which I was not there. But yeah, second list is coming on 23rd of September.
So that's tomorrow if I'm not wrong, right? Yeah, no, day after,
Day
Thursday.
after, yeah, day after tomorrow. And hope for the best that my name would be there.
Are you nervous?
Yeah, a little bit nervous because the in first list there was I was not there, so now it become a little bit nervous for me.
So how did you deal with this whole thing that when you weren't there in the list and your name wasn't there? How did you react to the whole thing, and then how did you like go about with everything?
So till now, I'm still positive, and I hoping that yes, my name would be there in the second list for sure. 99.99 I can say, but for 0.1% anything can happen.
And if you get selected, what is the entire thing going to be like? Are you going to be working for them? Or are you going to be studying with them?
So it's going to be the both taking 10 days training session at IIMs and then working on the field, and then again coming to the IIM after 2 3 months and then getting training and then working on the fields. So this is going to be the whole schedule.
And is this something that you want to do in the future, or this is just something that you're doing to explore your options?
Yeah, this is I'm doing for exploring myself, and because the being in the IIM has been a dream for me, so it's like dream come true for me.
Okay, that's actually really nice. And if this doesn't work out, do you have a backup plan?
Sorry.
If this doesn't work out, do you have a backup plan?
Yeah, recently I'm not having much about the backup plan, but yeah, I would do something else and try next year for that.
Okay, that's actually really nice. And how is your family dealing with everything? Are they also very positive like you?
Yeah, they are still positive, and they're hoping that would be there in the second list for sure.
Okay, that's great. I wish you all the very best, and I hope your name comes in the second.
Yeah, thank you so much, and let's hope for the best.
Okay, so now I want to practice this activity with you. I don't know if I've done this with you earlier, but I would want you to take over this session, and I want you to take charge of everything that is there and go ahead with this entire conversation.
Okay. So, first of all, I just want to ask you that what is the meaning of the word clappingo? Is it has any meaning or it's a just word?
I, I have no idea. I'm sorry, I have no idea.
That's not good. You are working with the company and you even don't know the proper name or maybe the meaning it has.
I am sorry, but I have no idea what does it mean.
Okay, so now I'm giving you this task. In the next session, you must have to go with the meaning, or maybe if it has meaning, then you must know that meaning. And if it doesn't, then you must know that I'm sure that it doesn't have any meaning. It's just a word.
Okay, I'm going to do this.
Yeah. And don't forget to do this because there will be punishment also. Because I'm a strict kind of teacher, so you can't expect me to be lazy and
So the word you were looking for is reluctant.
yep,
Can you say it with me? Reluctant.
yes, reluctant.
This means having a laid back attitude or being easy and being reluctant about things.
Okay, sure. So now you got it. What I said. What is your task and homework?
Yes. So my homework is that I'm supposed to know what is the meaning of clapping go, and if there is no meaning, I should know why there is no meaning to this word and find out a meaning.
Okay, that's great. Okay,
So next question, please.
okay. So the next question is for you is that if someone is learning language like me, I'm learning English. So if I'm learning English and it's been a more than 6 months or something, so how to track my growth that I'm improving? What can be the criteria to trace my growth?
Actually, this is a very nice question that you've asked me because I had a similar conversation with a previous client who had come in. So basically, the way to monitor your growth is, since you've been on this platform for a really long time, the only one thing I would recommend you to do is to go back to the first speaker that you ever spoke with. Okay, and go to them and ask them, are they seeing any changes in you? Because they saw you when you were very raw and you had no idea about what English is, or you were very weak in this language. So go back to them and ask them if they can see any changes in you, because they would be the best one to actually guide you.
Okay, so as you have told me to go to my first tutor, so that's okay. I will do that. But remember one thing, that I will come to you after maybe the month to ask the same question. So be prepared for that.
Okay, I'm gonna be prepared for this and I'm gonna note this down. Oh, right now that I have to be prepared for this. Don't worry.
Okay, and write with the pen, not with the pencil, because we something write with the pencil can be erased.
I'm so sorry. Actually, I don't have a pen with me right now, but I have a pencil, so I'm just gonna note this down and I'm gonna make sure that it doesn't go anywhere.
Because after the session you can rewrite with the pen.
Okay, I'll rewrite with the pen after the session.
Okay. So my
Tell
another
me.
question is that if someone who is not using Clappingo and want to trace his or her growth, so what can he do?
I would actually recommend that person to record, them. So if it's a girl, I would recommend her to record herself and then compare her recordings over over every 2 weeks. Go back and check the recording in the first week and see if she is making any changes. Because can I tell you something? When we are talking a particular language, at times when we listen to ourselves, we actually, we realize that, oh, this is something that I mispronounced. This is not how it's done. So I think I would recommend, anyone to just record themselves.
Okay, nice answer. So my next question, there is no next question, but let's talk on something. So on which topic do you want to talk? Suggest me some topics so that we
Okay.
can.
That we can. Okay. I would actually want to talk to you about this. What do you feel about, deep sea and, the oceans and everything that's happening in the world and how we're contaminating the ocean? What do you think about all of that?
Okay, so the deep ocean is, I think the Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the in the ocean. And if you talk about the contamination of the seas and all, so it's very bad that we see on the beaches and all. There are a lot of plastic bottles and the polythenes and many other things are there, so which should not be there. And we people should be very careful about, because of the plastic and the bottles we are throwing on the beaches and bank of the something, then it is harming our many creatures that lives in the water.
And what do you think about, Ganga and Yamuna? Ganga is actually one of the most contaminated river in the world. So what do you think about that? Of course, it's holy and everything, but what do you think about the contamination part?
Okay, so as we know that the Ganga is holy river of a country, and a country is known as also by the Ganga also, because it's a holy river, and in ancient time uh, the river has a lot of importance. And if we talk about the contamination of the river, then it is also there that government should take initiative, and as well as the normal people also should be take care of the uh, hygiene of the river.
Okay, have you ever gotten a chance to visit Ganga?
Not yet. I have not been to Ganga yet, but yeah, I will go soon there.
Have you heard about the famous Ganga Aarti?
Yes, yes, I have seen on the television and mobiles and all. It is very famous and mesmerizing.
Oh my God, I really like the word that you have just used. Can you tell me what it means?
Mesmerizing, it's very attractive and gives us happiness and kind of thing.
So we do not have much time on us. I have noted down two mistakes that I want to correct. Okay, when you're talking about contamination of the river, it is bottles, not bottles. Can you say bottles with me?
Bottles.
Okay, and bank of something. It's not bank of something, it's bank of the river, number one. And it's not bank, it's bank.
Okay. Bank.
Can you repeat it with me?
Bank.
Bank of the river.
Bank of the river.
Perfect. It was really nice talking to you. I really want to tell you that I can see a huge confidence boost versus, before to now, which is actually really commendable. That is really good that you're now having a command over this language. And, instead of thinking in Hindi or your mother tongue, now you are reciprocating in English, which is actually a really good thing. You think in English and you speak in English. Most people don't do it like that. And I can see this improvement in you, which is actually a really good thing. So please keep doing what you're doing, and I really hope to see you soon again. And I've definitely written down everything you wanted to do. So I'm gonna keep that in mind. And next session, I'm gonna give an answer.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Come up with the answer and the homework which which I have given you.